Hi, how are you? This is Abel Tejeda with the e-mortgage guys. Excuse the hat, but I still don't find it safe to go get a haircut. But having said that, just like the haircutting industry is changing, the mortgage industry changed as well. So how will lending look like post-COVID-19? And that's a very important question because everything, as you've been seeing, everything is being done remotely. The very first thing is, obviously, you can't just walk into your bank and ask for a refinance, or you have questions about your loan or what can it be done. You need to do an appointment. The good thing with us, and the E stands for electronic, so we've always been a tech-based mortgage company, full service broker. And the reason why we've been ahead of the curve is because we've been doing everything that lenders are supposed to do now. We've been doing it for years because we lend throughout the whole state of California. So we know we are specialists on lending remotely. The first thing is obviously our online application. Everything's web-based. You don't need to print out anything. You just fill out your application and it gets sent directly to your lender. There's no more forms, there's no more borrowing pens. That is out of the window. Now, what happens when you have to sign documents? As long as your documents are not your final documents, final docs that you sit down with the notary, everything, disclosures, loan estimate, closing disclosures, everything now can be signed electronically. And if you think about it, that makes it even more convenient because you don't even need to leave your house. You don't need to go buy a printer, which nowadays nobody really has a printer, to print out your documents, sign them, fax them, and send them back. That is, if you think about it, extremely inconvenient. So throughout the whole process, everything gets done electronically. There's no need for you to be a local borrower. It doesn't matter if your mortgage company or whoever you're talking to is in the East Coast and Hawaii. It doesn't matter because now that face-to-face is not necessary. But if you are like me, I like taking care of business looking at the person I'm dealing with. So for that, we do Zooms. Zoom is basically a meeting, an electronic meeting that we do where we break everything down. We can actually do a screen share, so you'll see exactly what we're seeing, and we can, we'll talk and then go over the documents one by one with you, and everything can be broken down. But bottom line is this: lending has never been better. Banks are 90% back. So if you have questions about refinancing, speak to your local mortgage specialist or somebody like us. We'll be more than break everything down and guide you through the process. But remember, even though we have restrictions and even though we're going through this pandemic, lending is still available. Abel Tejeda with the e-mortgage guys. Hope you're staying safe out there.